Okay, guys, here's my barbecued cabbage. How beautiful is that? Hi, guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Meatless Monday. In today's episode, I'll be doing some barbecued cabbage. So, what I have here, I have some cabbage that I sliced and I place them in some salted water to remove any debris that might come up in the crevices there. And then I have it on the paper towel there now to remove, the excess water that is there because I don't want too much water there. Alright, so I got out as much of the water that I possibly can get out of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this to the side to start working on the baking tray just for a minute. Here's my baking tray. What I'm going to do now, I'll be adding about a teaspoon of olive oil there, and then I'm going to use my brush to spread it out. This is going to prevent the cabbage from sticking. Now back to the cabbage. So I'll be placing these on the oil tray here. And I'm handling them ever so lightly because I don't want them to break apart or to break up. So I'm now ready to start on my seasoning. Yes, I'll be seasoning the cabbage here. I could just start out by adding the barbecue sauce, but just as with any time I'm cooking, I'm layering my flavors. I'm also doing it with this here, and it's going to make so much difference. So in here now I add about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and to that I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Then I'm using my brush here to mix it together and creating this runny paste. I don't want to add any salt to this because I don't want it. What the salt will do is to bring out the liquid out of the cabbage, and I don't want that because I don't want the cabbage to be soggy. I need it to be firm. So with this mixture now here, I'm just spreading it out on the cabbage, and this is going to add so much flavor, guys. It's just the garlic powder and the cayenne pepper. It's going to add so much flavor. So I'm flipping them and then doing the same thing as I did to the other side. And this is what I call layering of flavors, guys. And I'm trying to get it all over, and I'm getting out everything. So that's that, and I'm now ready to place it in the oven. I have my oven preheating at about 150 degrees Celsius, which I think is about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll be placing it in the oven for about 7-8 minutes, and then we'll come back and nice it up. All right, and this is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful already. So it has now been about 8 minutes since I put it in the oven. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm turning them over and getting ready to add my barbecue sauce to it. And I'm adding them ever so lightly, guys, because as I said before, I don't want to break them up, and I like to have it looking like this. All right, so here's my barbecue sauce, my homemade barbecue sauce. I don't buy barbecue sauce. I've never bought barbecue sauce because I've been making this barbecue sauce here for over 10 years, and it's good, so why change it? And another reason too why I didn't add any salt to the cabbage before is because salt is in the barbecue sauce. I don't want to add too much salt to it as either. Alright, so just put in the barbecue sauce there, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for about a minute or two to get the barbecue sauce set on it. And this is what it's looking like, guys. Look at that. So I'm going to dish it up and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, here's my barbecued cabbage. How beautiful is that? Quick 15 minutes main dish, meatless main dish. As long as you have a barbecue sauce on hand, this can take 15 minutes or less, including prep time. So delicious. So beautiful. I tell you guys, it's full of flavor. And here I have it served with some garlic, vegetables, my quick and easy rice and peas, which will be linked in the description box below, and my ever-present fried plantains. Can't do without fried plantains. Alright, thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video, guys.